Dutch Diablo, it's Ranch here, and do you know what day it is? It's reset day. The time's currently 7:20 a.m. p.m. I mean. So the server resets in 4.5 hours. I've been out preparing for the reset all day. So we have some wine, some beers, Julmust, motherfucking cookies, peanuts, chocolate. Because I'm probably doing a 24-hour live stream, I think. Not sure yet. I also have this bottle, so I don't have to leave to go for the toilet while I'm playing, like some filthy casual. Just kidding. Me and Hystrix will be streaming the run. Hystrix will be streaming from twitch.tv/Hystrix, and I'll be streaming from my regular channel, twitch.tv/Runshall. Yeah, have a good race. Fuck Bob. And good luck, I guess. Hardcore Master Race. Take care.